Hi friends, previously we had learned how to load the different files to the notebook. So now in this video we will learn about the different basic attributes and the functions of a functions of a pandas, so that it will be helpful for uh, analyzing the data what we are having. So see here we are having the data frame. I had loaded the CSV file into this data frame, ds CSV. So if we click on shift enter, it is the size is 9,000 2000. If it is more than huge amount of the data, if it is having, uh, if you load uh, that data frame, it may get hang. So in order to preview this one, so we use the df dot see, in order to see how the data, so we use the head, so that head dot 5, so it will give the top 5 of records of a data frame. So if you give the one, it will give the top one of the data frame. In this way, the same way df dot csv dot tail, so it will give the last 5 records of a data frame. If it is not having any value, it will give the 5. If you give any value, it will give that number of that data frame records. So we had given the 2, so it is showing the 2 records. Then after that, so after tail and the head, we will see the sample, where sample give sample means it will give randomly, not the even the head part, even the top. It is not the top part or the tail part. It will give pick the record randomly from the data frame. Excuse me. Data frame dot csv dot dot shape. Excuse me. It will give the shape of the data frame, whereas df dot csv dot info, it will give the data type. It is having 9,225 of records it is having. So here these may all are, see, this is a type is object, all are object. Here the data types is 6 rows are there, so 6 data of the type of that each row is object. So total is 6 objects it is showing. So here the most important thing is memory usage is, so for analytic people, it will be helpful for them. And if we, for another function we are having is def dot describe, works on only the numerical part, numerical column. So it will describe the count, unique, and the top and the frequencies. These all the things it will give. So actually, these all are numerical data. So it works on the describe function, works on the numerical data. If it is not, if it will ignore. And these are the different functions there. And even if you want to see some other functions like dfp dot csp value counts are there. But here there are so many member value counts. So it will give the how many individual unique numbers are there. These are there. So this number is there one. This ID is there only one. So if you have any two to three, it will show the value counts there. So if you like this video, so try to share it with your friends. If you not, don't share to your friends. And thank you for saying this.